Would you like to lock yourself into a crystal ball? You can try to do it with PhotoDirector. Just open the app, click on crystal ball. It's on the home page right now. Choose crystal ball and then import an image. Okay, continue. I will choose a couple image now. This one, and let's try and generate the image. You will have to wait a few seconds, maybe even a minute, but it's worth it. You will see soon. It's not easy to lock two people into one crystal ball, of course, but here we go. And if you are satisfied, you can download this image. Thank you very much for your kind attention.